Hi folks, and welcome to another video in Lenbrook's Thrive in 5 series. Today, I'm excited to walk you through Motorola's commercial CP100d lineup of radios. Replacing the previously ever so popular VX261, the CP100d is available in 4 versions and is the perfect entry-level radio for professionals wanting to communicate with greater ease and efficiency. Each version of the CP100d is available in both UHF and VHF models. They are purpose-built to make it easy to migrate your fleet of radios from analog to digital. Radio users can operate and communicate on their new digital radios while on the job, as your business transitions to digital technology. First, we have the CP100d analog version, boasting 16 channels and can be upgraded to digital with the purchase of a digital license key. Next, we have the CP100d non-keypad version, which also offers 16 channels and operates in both digital and analog voice communication modes without the need of a digital license key. This is the CP100d limited keypad version. It has 160 channels and can send and receive pre-programmed text messages. Finally, we have the full keypad version, which also operates with 160 channels and can send and receive free-form text messages. The ability to operate in both analog and digital modes also makes it easy and affordable to adapt your new digital radios to work alongside with your existing analog radios, allowing you to migrate to a digital two-way radio platform at your own pace. CP100d radios provide twice the calling capacity as analog radios for the price of just one frequency license. This is because these radios are powered by time division multiple access digital technology, enabling users to increase their efficiency without increasing their costs. Also, with dual capacity direct mode, you can unlock the full capacity of your digital radio system by doubling your channels without the cost of a repeater and its associated infrastructure. Pre-programmed and free-form text messaging also enables fast and flexible communication in noisy environments where audio is hard to hear or when you need to communicate private information discreetly. It can't be denied that the audio quality of digital voice communications is superior to analog. With exceptional clarity, digital voice processing with enhanced call signaling ensures faster and more reliable calls. Plus, CP100d radios feature voice announcements providing audible confirmation of channel changes, as well as programmable buttons that eliminate the need to view the radio display. Channel announcements can also be programmed by department, allowing users to easily navigate to whom they need to speak to.
Housekeeping, maintenance, valet, kitchen and bar staff.
The CP100d series of radios are the perfect cost-effective solution for the light user. Whether you work in manufacturing, where your assembly line workers need to rely on clear digital audio to filter out background noise, or you work in the education industry, where you need to be able to respond instantly to an emergency situation, the CP100d has up to 35% more talk time than analog radios and is adaptable to ensure your workforce stays connected. Property maintenance and golf course operators can also remotely activate their water sprinkler and irrigation systems using digital dual-tone multi-frequency codes on the limited and full keypad versions of the CP100d. With this introduction of remote functionality, users are able to provide the additional control needed to save time and increase efficiency across the board. Demanding environments call for exceptional durability. CP100d radios are IP54 rated for dust and water and meet US military standards A10C through to G. They also surpass Motorola's accelerated life testing, where they are subjected to simulation of 5 years of hard use in real-life situations. These radios have been put through the ringer with drop tests, temperature shock, vibration, dust, electrostatic and humidity scrutiny. In fact, I've been working on my latest drum solo. Let's put these radios to the test. Awesome. I think I'm ready for the big leagues. To recap, CP100d radios are versatile, allowing you to migrate to a digital two-way radio platform at your own pace. With greater spectrum efficiency, these radios give users 2 talk paths for each individual frequency, allowing you to save money on infrastructure expenses. CP100d radios offer premium digital audio clarity that filters out background noise and rejects static, making it a great communication solution for a variety of industries. Finally, the ruggedness of these devices is undeniable. I mean, did you hear my drum solo? Moving from analog to digital doesn't simply boost the performance and efficiency of your radio communications. It provides an entry point to a range of integrated applications and solutions that can unify communications from end to end, transforming the way your business operates. Reach out to Lenbrook today to learn more.